Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 235 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with unlocking the device, of course, and entering the menu. So press the middle button, then go down and left to find the settings, and here we have to go down to the time and language. Let's select it. Then let's go down to phone language, select, and as you can see we'll be immediately transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and press select, and as you can see from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again, the language, and let me go back to English. Just press it, and as you can see it has been immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.